This is a very basic sound reactive game in Blender. It works thanks to the Audio2Blender Addon, which allows you to get real-time audio values inside geometry nodes. The character is affected by gravity and by float attribute volume, which pushes it upward. In Audio2Blender 0.2 I introduced attack and release values, set them both to 0. There is only one game level, which is driven by the timeline, so you need to go backwards and hit play to start. In the modifier parameters you can set the length and the frequency of the pipes as well as randomize the path. When you hit a pipe, the score is displayed. When you reach the end, some random messages will appear. You can learn how to mix real-time audio in geometry node and more from the node setup. You can also customize the game and make it truly your own. In this occasion, it became final destination for the Fiat Banda event at Cook Studio here in Italy. Their mascot is Arturo, a delfina, a delightful pink dolphin. By purchasing this sound reactive game for Blender, you can play with your friends, give your neighbors a perfect reason to hate you, support my projects. This is a sound reactive game for Blender. Bye.